Good morning, students. Today we'll be starting the new chapter, that is Directions and Sense Test. The chapter name is Direction Sense Test. Before we start this topic, you should know how do we show our major four directions. So we'll draw this arrow like this. So top most direction is the north, and below this, opposite to north direction, we have south direction. So this is north, south. On our right we have east, and on the left we have west. So these are the directions: north, south, east and west. Children, in between these directions we have further more directions. So in between north and south we have north, east. In between south and east we have southeast. Here we have southwest, and this is known as northwest. Right? So let's move on with the questions. The first problem is, if southeast becomes north, northeast becomes west, and so on, what will west become? So let's look at our direction compass. The question says, if southeast, this is southeast, if this direction becomes north, that means north is coming here. Let's mark it. So if according to the question, the southeast direction, it becomes north, and northeast directions becomes west, what will west become? So this is north, opposite to north this will be south, and this is west, so opposite to this will be east. So we want to find out what will west become. So this is the usual west direction. This will become, this between south and east, so this will become southeast. So our answer is C part, that is southeast. So our west direction, which is the usual west direction, this will become southeast when we are rotating. Let's look at this question number 2. Question number 2 is, a girl was going towards west. Then she turned left and again turned 90 degrees in clockwise direction. So clockwise direction, in which direction was she going now? So children, we should know what do you mean by clockwise direction, right? Clockwise means going in the direction of the clock. So let's look here. Let's look at my notebook. So this is second problem. And a girl is going directly towards west. That means suppose this is the starting point A. The girl is going towards west. So normally this is the west direction. Then she turned left. So when you are facing this way, we are moving to this side, she moves left. So this will be her left. She turned left and again turned in 90 degree clockwise direction. So this she will move 90 degree in clockwise direction. So clockwise direction, clock moves from this side 12, 1, 2, 3 like that. So clock is moving from here. So she is moving 90 degree in clockwise direction, that means this direction. Now in which direction she is going? She is again going in the west direction. So the answer is B, west part. So let's move to the third question. One morning after sunrise, Suresh was standing facing a pole. The shadow of the pole fell exactly to his right. Which direction was he facing? So first of all, we should know in which direction do we have the sunrise. And if sunrise, whatever direction is there, in which direction the shadow is. So let me make it clear to you that sun rises in the east. So when sun is rising in the east, whatever thing we have, the shadow will be coming opposite to the direction of sun. That means the shadow will be here. Right? Suppose this is a light source and we are standing here. The shadow will always be behind us. Shadow will always be formed behind us. When the sun moves this side, shadow will be this side. right? So here, if the pole is there, shadow of pole will be found here. This is this side in the west direction. We will have shadow of pole. Now the question asks, in which direction Suresh was standing, so that the pole, the image of the pole, the shadow of the pole is exactly to his right. This means he is facing this side. That is why shadow of pole is on west, and Suresh's right hand side also we have the shadow. So if Suresh is standing here facing the south direction, then only we can have the shadow of pole on right hand side. Let me explain again. This is the sun in the east direction, and due to why, because the sun is here, we will have the shadow of pole in the west, that is opposite to the sun. Now question says that this shadow is on the right hand side of Suresh. That means, how can right hand side be here if Suresh is standing here? That means Suresh is facing this side. Suresh is facing south, that is D part. So Suresh is facing south direction, right? So he is facing south direction. So for these problems, you need to read the question very carefully.